Yes, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It being a weekend, it's a Saturday. I hope you've had a very beautiful week, and I pray that the week that is coming ahead is going to be more full of blessings. You get the desires of your heart, and you're going to be full of health, and you're just going to go out there and continue hustling and bustling, and trying to get this money that everyone of us is chasing. So actually, what I wanted to share today is that, of course, we are in a new house, yeah, and one of the things that has been stressing us out are the stains, especially on the tiles. That, of course, when you do construction, there are all manner of stains that normally get onto tiles, especially the tiles with the matte finish. Those bathroom tiles, since they have a matte finish and they're kind of rough, when they get stained, getting stains out of them is quite difficult. They're different, they're different from the porcelain tiles, because porcelain tiles are a bit easier to clean because they are smooth. But for the bathroom tiles, they are not that smooth because of their rough texture. So if stains get onto them, especially the cement stains, the grout stains, or just maybe stains, mud stains, sometimes it's hectic to get them out. So today, being a weekend, I've gotten new products. I'm going to try whether I can remove them with these new products, because I've tried all manner of products, and some of them are quite expensive, but they don't even do the work as I want them to do. So I just want to remove the stains, the cement stains, the what they call it, even the glue that they normally use to hold the doors or the door frames together, or the glue that they normally use for the vanity sets and the cabinetry and the closets. If they drop on the floor, it's kind of hectic to remove them. So I've got a new product. I want to see whether they are going to work, and I just want to remove the stains so that during subsequent cleanings, you don't have to use the products, because the products are harsh. The products being harsh, I need to have my rubber gloves, I need to have my boots, gum boots. You see the farm boots that we normally use when we go to the farm. I need those ones because the products that I'm using are corrosive. I also need to have like a mask, but that one I'm trying to, I'll be so careful so that I'll make sure the products don't go next to my face. So, but of course I'll need rubber gloves and I'll need gum boots, so at least to protect my hands and my feet because of the corrosive nature of the product. So I'm going to try them and see whether they are going to work, and I'll be a very happy person, because sometimes all these places are cleaned, but you don't see as if they're clean, because those are stubborn stains that don't want to come out. I just want something that I can use and it lifts all the stains out, so that when we do subsequent cleaning, you can actually appreciate what somebody has done. Because right now it's a mess. We normally scrub, and it's normally scrubbed with so much energy, but nothing really happens. So that is what I want to do today, and I'm going to take you along and help you see. So if there's anyone out there who's having trouble with stains on their spaces, and if this works for me, I think I would recommend for you guys to use the kind of products that I've got. So without talking too much, let's get to work. Bye-bye. On Saturday, I decided to do most of the cleaning and to help out with the cleaning. So this bathroom has not been like this because since it's a new house, we've had really trouble trying to get it to this point, but eventually we managed to get it to this point. So I didn't document or take a video when we were trying to clean it, but I'm going to show you the next place that I'm going to clean. I'm going to show you what goes on and what the products that I used, and you're going to see the transformation from the stains that we have in the bathrooms too. This bathroom also had stains, but right now I wish I could have taken a video before, but this is the after. So let me take you to the next bathroom and show you how the bathroom is. Come on and let's go. Yeah, so the kind of stains that I'm talking about are like these ones. So most of the bathrooms, this is what we've been having. There's just some of the stains that are got, after construction, all matter of things, are stain the floors. So most of the bathrooms are this way. So I'm just going to, this is the before I do the scrubbing that I'm telling you. So some of the products that I'm going to use are here. Of course, I need my gloves. I need this component here, and then I also need this one. I'm using 2 components. Plus, I also need my gum boots and my gloves, and of course with soap. So let me try and clean it, and then after I'm done, we'll see whether the stains are out, because you want the bathroom to be clean as the other one that you've seen. So let me start the work. Stains that I'm talking about. So mostly this stain, I think, was from the cement or from the gum that was being used on these doors. So I'm going to try if the products can work and just save us some headache, because you can't put someone to be scrubbing this place and clearly the stains are not coming out. So we need a different product that can be able to lift or remove this cement stain easily, and then now for subsequent cleaning it gets easier to clean. So I'm just going to use the products that I told you about. Then after that, we are going to see whether they work, and if it works, it can help so many people who have problems with stains in some of their spaces. So let me get to work, and I'll meet you just in a few seconds or minutes. Just normal powder soap. And now the first thing that I'm going to do, already some water. Very pungent smell, so you have to cover it all the time. So what I'm going to do now is start scrubbing, but I have to add this one also. And then see. That's just so let's get ready to scrub it. This is okay. Since the drainage is not working efficiently, we have to check what's wrong with it. But we are done with the scrubbing. As I told you that I was going to show you the process that we went through with the other bathroom. So yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to dry the water with a rag and then call it a day. So bye bye, see you. Yeah, so guys, I'm done with this serious scrubbing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this rag to just dry the excess water that hasn't gone to the drain, because I can't leave the bathroom with water. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. And let's meet during our next cleaning schedule, which I don't know when it's going to be, but let's meet then. So bye bye. See you. At least you've seen the product has worked. So see you next time. Ciao ciao. Let me continue mopping.